How about we take these two machines, put 10 grams in the carpet, and do a 2-cycle pickup test? That Eureka is a little wiggly. It's so tall. Gotta wait for it to stabilize a little bit. Okay, for the Hoover NanoLite, I'll call it at 398.18 grams. And for the Eureka WhirlWind, I'll call it at 1211.5. So you know the drill. 10 grams of baking soda. Let's see what we can pick up in 2 cycles. So we ended up with 403.57 grams, 58 grams, 57. Let's pick something. Okay, 403.57. And we started off with 398.18. Okay, so this is out of 10. So I can, of course, divide that by 10, get the ratio, and then, of course, multiply it by 100, and we end up with 54% pickup. Now, that's in 2 full cycles. Now, it's going to be fun trying to get the extracted count out there, and it makes a little bit of a racket doing it. You know, I don't really think we really need a calculator for that since it's 10 grams. So we're looking at 5.07 out of 10. So that would be about 51% rounded, 50.7. So if I just type that in, since that's what I love doing, is just typing stuff in, we have 50.7, and yes, it just changed to an 8. Maybe I should change that. All right, good enough. There you go. So about 51% extracted. So nice job. Here we go. So we end up with 1214.2. Put that in the old calculator. And subtract 1211.5. We got 2.7 out of 10 grams. And that's pretty easy to figure out that we have a 27% raw bin pickup. 1.31. So the nice thing is since I use 10 grams, that ends up meaning 13.1% extracted. So there you go for the Eureka WhirlWind. So once again, the Hoover NanoLite really surprises me. That little teeny tiny brush roll in there, that very, very small opening really concentrates its cleaning power. And we end up doing 54% raw pickup with the NanoLite versus the Eureka's 27% raw bin pickup. And then when we go to do the extraction process, which I have to admit is kind of weird with the NanoLite, but it's fun, we get a chart topping 51%. I mean, for a bagless system, that's pretty incredible. And the WhirlWind falls, unfortunately, fairly far short of that at 13%. Now, some of the differences between these machines is, as I've kind of stated before, the brush roll opening on the NanoLite is very, very small. So if you have a small area to clean, it'll probably be pretty nice. You'll get great sand and fine dust pickup, and it won't take you too long to finish the job. But if you have a lot of carpet to clean, like 1,000 square feet or more, you're probably going to want a brush roll that's much bigger, like the 15-inch one there in the WhirlWind. Although this particular copy of the WhirlWind doesn't really pick up all that much. You do have the ability with the Eureka to go and, say, adjust the height and put it down a click or even two, but then that creates a problem I've also mentioned before. So going forward a click or two down might be a little easier since the brush roll is grabbing the carpet, but when you go to pull it back, and it's not much fun. It really fights you, and it's going to wear your arm out, although you will have better pickup. So I mean, obviously it's your choice, but also keep in mind that the brush roll in this WhirlWind isn't exactly in the greatest shape in the world. So hope you enjoyed this shoot 'em up test again with the NanoLite and the Eureka, and stay tuned for more.